In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a multilingual website with the website.com site builder. Having a multilingual website is a great way to cater to specific locations or reach a wider audience by having your website content accessible in multiple languages. The website.com website builder is the fastest and easiest way to make a multilingual website, and I'll show you how to make one. Multilingual features come with all website.com elite plans and above. So I've already chosen my template and customized the English version of my website, and right now I'm logged into my website.com site builder account. So at the top, I'm going to click Manage Pages. You'll see this languages drop down right here. By default, all of the pages with my template are set to be English pages. So when you create a multilingual site, there will be a language switcher in your menu which allows your visitors to choose the language that they want to see your pages in. And for each language you add, it can have its own site menu in a different language. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. So to add a new language to your website, click Manage, and then click Add New Language. Now choose the language that you want to add. Click Next. You can choose which of your website pages you want to clone for this language. Keep in mind that what this will do is simply create a copy of your existing pages and add it to this language. You will still need to translate the content on these pages for your new language. So I'll clone all of the pages that I have, and then I'll click Save. I'll just go to the preview. So now you'll see I have a language switcher right here, so visitors can choose which language to view your website in. My menu is also in Japanese. You can edit how your page titles appear in the menu in the Manage Pages section. So I'll go back to Edit Site, click Manage Pages, and now make sure the language that you want to edit for is selected. And beside each page, click the pencil icon, then click Rename Page. So you can change the page title, which changes how the page will appear in your menu for the language. You can also choose to change the URL for the page if you want to. I'll just leave it as is and then click Save. So you can go ahead and do that for all the other pages as well. I do want to mention the difference between a home page for your website and a language landing page for your languages. A home page is the first page visitors will see when they load your URL, and you can only set one home page for your entire website. So right now, if we go back to the English here, you'll see this icon that the welcome page is now set as the home page for my site. However, you can also set a language landing page for each of your languages. And a language landing page is the very first page that visitors will land on when they choose that language on the language switcher. So if I switch to Japanese, right now you'll see this icon, and that means that is the language landing for this language. If I want to set another page as the language landing page, for example, Contact, I'll click Edit, and then choose to set as language landing. So you'll see that the icon has changed right beside that page title. And now we'll go to Preview. Now if I use the language switcher to go to English, it goes to the home page that I've set. And if I switch to Japanese, it will now go to the language landing that I've set. So now we'll go back to Edit Site. Note that in the Site Builder, you can also use this drop-down to navigate to other pages on your site. You'll see that they're categorized by language. So I'll be sure to go to my Japanese pages and start changing the content from English to Japanese. Once that's done, I can add another language like how I showed you in this video, or you can go ahead and publish your website if you're done. Just click Publish in the top right corner right here. So you'll see how easy it is to make a multilingual website to reach a wider audience, establish yourself as an international brand, and more. Let us know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.